Dito kami guys sa Premium Outlet. Guys, dito kami sa mall. Titingin kami ng mga gifts. Kasi magpapasko na. Samahan niyo kami. Let's go! Maraming tao ngayon sa mall. Nagla-last minute shopping sila. Kaya titignan nyo dito. Maganda itong ano nila. Tayo guys sa Skechers. Dami. Converse. Kids.
Dadalhin ko dito si Eliana.
I think I had this before.
Okay.
Size 1 lang ako eh. Size 2 yan, no?
This is yung slip on. Look.
It is?
Yeah, nakaganon lang pero ganun, no?
Oh. Parang gusto ko ng Converse.
Oh. This is yung slip on babe. Oh.
This is nice. Uy, maganda siya. Size 1. Bili mo? Oh, maganda siya. Size 2. Ang dami. Should I get it?
Yeah.
Getting this, guys. Pasok kami dito guys sa ASIC. Kasi gusto dito ni Abby ng shoes. So dito namin siya bibilin. So we're getting this one. This is what she wants. Well, wala sila yung color na talagang gusto niya. Ang ganda. Oh, mahal siya. 150. Okay lang. Minsan lang naman.
Yeah.
Oh, ang ganda.
Forma.
Basic. Should I get it?
Yeah.
I have an email sign up.
It's fine. Ito daw uso ngayon. Psycho Bunny. So, punta tayo dito. Kuha ka ng shirt. No, kuha ka na ng shirt. Ito pala raw ang uso ngayon. House of Bunny. Ay, House of Bunny. Iba pala yung kay Kim Chiu pala yun. Psycho Bunny. Hindi ko nga alam. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yo! This is so pretty. We got something for her right there. Eat. Yummy. Katatapos lang namin kumain, may last store pa akong pupuntahan. Ito tayo sa Coach.
No, it's because I bought it on Nordstrom. I just wanted to see if that's different.
Oh, they have this one. Ito meron sila. Wow.
Because it's still a funny again. We're outside of Christmas.
Oh.
We found one, or should we change our minds completely?
Cute na to.
I know, mahal nga eh. Alright guys, that's all for today. Tapos na kami. We got everything that we need.
Yung barya?